The Johor River is a vital source of water and livelihood for thousands of people in southern Malaysia. On 31st October 2025, pollution linked to sand mining activities contaminated the river, harming aquatic life, disrupting fishermen's income, and threatening the safety of water supply. This pollution occurred near Kota Tinggi Johor and affected downstream water treatment plants that supply water to Johor Bahru, Kota Tinggi, Pontian and Kulai. As a result, about 455,000 households and premises experienced water supply interruptions. Even by 4th November 2025, the impacts were still severe and widely reported.
This river pollution does not happen suddenly. It is mainly caused by human activities along the river. One major cause is industrial discharge, where factories release wastewater containing chemicals such as ammonia and oil into nearby drains. When these pollutants enter the river, they disturb the water's chemical balance and reduce dissolved oxygen, harming aquatic life. Another cause is agricultural runoff. Fertilizers and pesticides are washed into the river during rainfall, increasing nutrient levels and lowering water quality. Improper waste disposal is also a serious issue. Domestic waste, sewage leaks, and illegal dumping introduce organic and toxic substances, causing bad odors and health risks. However, the root cause goes deeper. Weak monitoring, poor enforcement, and low public awareness allow pollution to continue. Without proper control, it builds up over time and leads to major contamination events. This shows that protecting the river requires responsibility from everyone.
In Kota Tinggi, a sudden pollution incident turned the Johor River dangerously murky. Water treatment plants were forced to shut down, cutting clean water supply for thousands of residents. The thick, contaminated water carried serious health risks, harmful microorganisms that can cause stomach illnesses and skin problems. As sediment filled the river, oxygen levels dropped, threatening fish and aquatic life. This incident shows how environmental negligence can quickly turn into a public health and water crisis.
This case shows how sand mining pollution in the Johor River has caused serious economic impacts, especially on fisheries and tourism. In the fishing sector, mud and sleet have increased water turbidity and reduced dissolved oxygen levels. This has led to fish death and migration. As a result, river fishermen, particularly from Orang Asli community, have lost their main source of daily income. The decline in fish catch has also affected fish markets, seafood vendors, and local food business. Tourism in the area has also been negatively impacted. Polluted and muddy river conditions have reduced the attractiveness of nature-based tourism activities such as ecotourism, recreation fishing, and river recreation. Media coverage of the pollution incident has further damaged Johor's environmental image, leading to fewer visitors and reduced income for local tourism operators. From a policy perspective, this case highlights the need for stricter enforcement of environmental regulations, better land use planning near rivers, stronger environmental impact assessments, and clear policies to protect and compensate affected communities, especially fishermen.
At the individual level, we all can make a difference. First, avoid activities that harm water quality, such as dumping waste into drains or riverbanks, and always dispose of rubbish responsibly. Second, support sustainable sand mining and land use practices by raising your voice with local leaders and supporting stronger enforcement. Third, save and conserve water at home to reduce pressure on water system during future crises. If everyone acts now, we can help restore our rivers and can make our water source keep safe.
To protect our river and community, we must act together. First, local residents can form river watch group to monitor water quality and report illegal pollution early, so authorities can respond before contamination spread. Second, communities should work closely with agencies like Department of Environment to strengthen monitoring of sand mining activities and ensure pollution laws are strictly followed. Third, Organizing community clubs and education programs help people understand how river pollution affects fishing, drinking water and public health, especially after this incident across Johor. Together, this action reduce risk and protect both livelihood and vital water resources.
Protect our river. Report pollution and safeguard our water source.